Good morning, y'all. I'm so excited. I have my October Scrappy Shack box here to do a quick opening of so that we can see what's inside it. This is from Scrappy Shack in Salty, Nacoochee, Georgia. It's a subscription box, and if you remember, I did an unboxing and a card making session for the September box. This morning, I only have time to do the unboxing, but I will come back and try to do a make from the box. My friend Barbie Lewis Nelson designs the cards in here, and my friend Emma designs the instruction booklet that is so beautiful. Okay, let's get into it. I'm so excited. I took the tape off, but that's all I did. So here we go. We're going to lift the lid and we're going to look inside. I'm going to turn it sideways so y'all can see. Here's the instruction booklet. Look at those colors. Now I had a choice. Oh, my camera's not wanting to. There you go. I had a choice when I ordered this box of doing fall or Halloween, and I chose fall. Another friend of mine, Jamie, did the Halloween box, and she's a big Halloween fan, and so is my friend Diane. So I can't wait to see what they make out of these. Okay, we're not gonna look at the instruction book until we see what's inside. I can't wait. Ooh, I love purple curlies. Love it, love it, love it. Let's see. I can do this without making a big mess. Okay. Use the code. Oh, I got a coupon code in here. Fun for 15% off. That will be fun. I've got a bunch of stuff in mind that I want to buy. Now I have a cling rubber stamp that's a Halloween stamp. Bicycle. And oh boy, a Spellbinders embossing folder with fall leaves. Can you see that? I don't know. Yeah, there you can see it. That's really pretty. Really pretty. Ah, foam tapes. I'm learning to love foam tapes. Pop it up. A Spellbinders die set with a crate and all the different fall fruits and flowers. Some ready-made wreaths and cardstock. More cardstock. You get enough to make 4 cards in these kits. You get the envelope, you get the paper, you get any die cuts that they didn't send the actual dies for. See, like this one right here. Oh, I'm so glad they sent that because I have a terrible time deciding where to cut those things. That I've got some of these dies, something similar to this, and I'm not very good at those. Oh, and there's a pretty branch. That's cool. And then you also get some papers. I believe that's everything in the box. So we can kind of put our purple stuff away. We've got 2 pieces of really pretty paper here, a purple and a brown, one-sided, very nice. Let's come back and open this embossing folder and take a look at that. Okay, fall leaves. Let's see, what have I got that I can put behind this? Let's put a piece of craft cardstock and see if that's going to help you see it. Open up. Come on. There we go. Does that help you see it some? Look at that. That's going to be so pretty when it gets run through the die cutting machine. I love that. I love leaves. There's something about leaves that's just so pretty. Okay, very, very nice. Let's look at this stamp. That's very unusual. It's got, excuse me, it's got some Halloween pumpkins. That looks like a Raggedy Ann pumpkin almost. And then you got a pumpkin with a flower pot hat. And then this cute bicycle. So that's going to be fun to use. Now, somebody showed me last night and I thought I saw this part, but I only did a very quick look because I wanted to be surprised when I opened my box. But you could do that right there. You could mask this off. You could even almost mask that part off and have a very pretty floral basket on your bicycle. So very nice. Now let's take a look at what Miss Barbie has designed. Okay, let's find card one. There's card one. They used this doll, and look at that. They masked it off just like I was talking about. See there, Barbie. I'm a genius just like you. Very cute. A stamped card. Quick, easy, cute. It looks like she might have used alcohol markers for that. Let me put my glasses on and I can tell you. Coloring medium. Choice of markers, paint, crayons, colored pencils, etc. So any kind of coloring method you want to use. Card number 2 is using that glorious embossing folder. And then she used ink pads and black paint, or black ink, I mean. Now here, I do like that. The embossing folder and then those fall fruits stamps. Very nice on that wreath. And then this one uses the wagon and those I don't know what you call those. But they're mats, they're dyes, and I can't remember exactly what they're called. Very pretty though. Wagon ride. And then here's some other ones. So tons of ideas. When you get these subscription boxes from Scrappy Shak, you don't just get the tools, you get some instruction, you get some inspiration. And if you get to know Scrappy Shak, you get a village. Don't ever forget that. Scrappy Shak is wonderful. If you have the chance to go by there, if you live in the area, or you're taking a trip to North Georgia, do stop by and see Scrappy Shak at Salty Nakuchi. That's near Helen. It's only just a hop, skip, and a jump from Helen, Georgia. They have an online store. If you are not traveling to the area or don't live in the area, visit their online store. If they don't have what you are looking for in stock, drop them an email, send them a Facebook message, let them know, or call them. They can order what you want. Scrappy Shak, it's a great place. Check it out. Thank you so much, and I will see y'all when I do make from this box. Please think about liking this video, and I would just greatly appreciate it if you would consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. See you later. Bye-bye.